Ooh. Aha! There we go.
Oh, hey, Superman. Whoa, what is this?
These are my new vehicles. I'm extremely excited about them.
Wow, Superman, they're really cool. Can I help you open them?
Well, of course, but don't chip the paint.
Wow, this is an awesome red Jeep. I'll put the windshield up. Wow, there's even a spare tire and gas tank on the back. I love the decal on the hood. And check out that engine. Now that is one cool Jeep.
You'd think that was cool. Wait till you see the new tow truck.
I can't wait. Let's check it out. Whoa, look at this. Wow, these are some great new vehicles, Superman. Thanks for letting me help out.
Anytime, Brian. I agree. They're totally great.
Thanks for watching our video. And if you liked it, make sure to give us the thumbs up and subscribe. And tune in next time to see what toys we're gonna be unboxing then. I'm Brian, and I'll see you later.